Hello, and welcome to the English Listening Room, your space to practice English, improve your speaking, and grow your confidence. In today's episode, we are going to do a shadowing practice together. Shadowing is a powerful technique where you listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, just like an echo. You speak at the same rhythm, speed, and intonation as the speaker. This method helps you improve your pronunciation, sound more natural and fluent, build speaking confidence, train your brain to think in English, reduce fear of speaking by repeating each sentence. You give your mouth your mind, and your memory the practice they need to speak English more smoothly and confidently. In this session, we will focus on confidence-building affirmations. These will help you feel stronger, more positive, and more confident, not only in English, but in your life too. As you repeat each sentence, don't just say the words. Feel them, believe them, make them part of you. Remember, the more you repeat, the more natural English will become for you. And with every repetition, your fluency grows. So get ready to speak out loud, follow my voice, and enjoy this powerful English shadowing practice. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin.
I believe in myself. I believe in myself.
Great start!
I am confident. I am confident. I can do hard things. I can do hard things. I am improving every day. I am improving every day.
Feel your strength!
I trust myself. I trust myself. I am strong and capable. I am strong and capable. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. My English is getting better. My English is getting better.
Beautiful progress!
I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. I believe in my dreams. I believe in my dreams. I am learning and growing. I can reach my goals. I can reach my goals. I choose to be brave. I choose to be brave.
Every small step matters!
I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more confident. I am enough. I am enough. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes.
Good things are on the way.
I stay positive. I stay positive. I believe good things are coming. I believe good things are coming. I control my thoughts. I control my thoughts. I keep going, even when it is hard. I keep going, even when it is hard.
Your English is growing every day.
I am focused on my goals. I am focused on my goals. I stay calm and confident. I stay calm and confident. I am getting better at speaking English. I am getting better at speaking English.
Your future looks bright.
I believe in my abilities. I believe in my abilities. I choose positive thoughts. I choose positive thoughts. I am confident in my future. I am confident in my future. I am growing into my best self. I am growing into my best self. I believe I can succeed. I believe I can succeed.
You deserve your own love.
I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of how far I've come. I take action toward my goals. I take action toward my goals. I am learning to love myself. I am learning to love myself. I am confident in who I am. I am confident in who I am. I choose to see the good in myself. I choose to see the good in myself. I deserve success and happiness. I deserve success and happiness. I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English.
You shine brighter each day.
I am becoming more positive every day. I am becoming more positive every day. I can create the life I want. I can create the life I want. I am ready for good opportunities. I am ready for good opportunities. The future belongs to me. The future belongs to me.
Great job today! You have just completed a full shadowing session here on the English Listening Room. You repeated with confidence, you spoke with energy, and you trained your brain to think and speak more naturally in English. Remember, shadowing works best when you practice regularly. Each time you repeat these sentences, your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence become stronger. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference in how you speak and how you feel about your English. If this practice helped you, try to come back to this episode again, tomorrow, next week, or whenever you need a boost of confidence. With time, you will notice that English starts to flow more easily, and speaking will feel more natural. Thank you for joining today's session. I'm proud of your effort, and you should be proud too. Keep speaking, keep improving, and keep believing in yourself. Your English journey is just getting stronger every day. This is the English Listening Room, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay confident and keep practicing. Bye for now.